Hello guys, so in this video I'm gonna try and quickly talk about the concept that I came up with and how I did it. Okay, and I think there's potential edge in it for stocks. So let's dive into the theory first. So basically what I like most about stocks is that they have a very strict open time and close time for the market. So it's not like overnight stuff with futures. So we see a lot of volume in the beginning, and everybody goes home in the evening. Okay, so we kind of wanna. My idea was to make assumptions about a potential connection between the market open and the market close. Okay, so I'm going to be looking at, and I mean with this framework you can adjust it and it's pretty flexible, but I thought that 15 minutes is enough, all right, to see how we're going. Okay, so I'll be looking at the first 15-minute bar, and there are two options. The bar can be green or the bar can be red, and then there are 4-5 different options of where it can close and open. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Let's make one more. When I say 5 different options of where it can close and open, I'm speaking about the relation of the close and open in respect to these two levels. Okay, so let me just save this. So this is the range high, this is the range low based on the yesterday's yesterday's trading. So we'll look at the yesterday. Okay, we'll look at what was the highest high yesterday and what was the lowest low yesterday. So if we talk about the first combination, is either the bar is green and it opens inside the range and closes inside the range, or it's red and it opens inside and closes inside. Okay. The next combination is when it does this. Okay, the next combination is, let me just grab this, is when it does this. Okay, the next combination after that, let me just go ahead and do the red ones. So the red one would do the opposite. So sorry, it's gonna open inside and close below. For this one, it's gonna do this. All right, now what are we left with? So this was close above, open above, close above. So we got a few more. We actually have a really interesting one where we actually do, oh come on, it's like this. So it opens below and closes below, and then it opens above and closes above as well. So that's 1 2 3 4. I missed one. Okay, and the other one that I missed is, oh gosh, so this is the last one. This is actually the only reverse one. And let's just take these guys and copy them. Okay, and the final one is basically when the market does this. So it opens below and closes inside the range. And same here. So opens above and closes inside the range. Okay. All of these combinations have, so green inside, so it's either green or red. It's inside open, inside open, above open, below open. So inside open, inside close, inside open, above close, above open, above close, and so on. So all of these reflecting this kind of stuff. Okay. Now, what can happen at the end of the day is actually only three things. You can either close above, close inside, or close below. Okay. And basically the idea of the strategy, so first, the strategy is divided into two parts. First part is a research script, which basically just counts how many total attempts were there. Okay. So for example, it can close inside and open inside. Okay. And it can go here, here, or here. Okay. And the research script will actually tell you, so how many percent it did this, this, or this, and same for every single combination. So when you start researching this and building the strategy from this concept, you already know which is the most likely combination. Okay. And you can make the rules based on that, but the basic implementation of this, in this case, we'll place a limit buy order here. Let me make it green. Limit buy here, limit buy here, limit buy here, limit buy here, and a limit sell here. Okay. On the other hand, this would be also a limit buy. Okay. This would be a limit sell here, limit sell here, limit sell here, and the limit sell here. Okay. Now you can obviously play around with those, but depending on the research, this is just the basic. Okay. Obviously, with this, you know, you can trade a stop buy here instead of a limit buy here. Or for this one, you can go for a limit buy here instead, or a limit buy in the middle here. Okay, so there's like so many variations of where you can take this, and my idea is to show you the framework. Okay, show you how to test and work with it, and review the code for you. But to be honest, just like a massive amount of combination to go for. Okay, so the script, the exit, in terms of exit, it will always exit at the end of the day. So if we have a look at the chart here, so it goes in. So for example, so red inside open. So as far as I can see, this is I'm in a different time zone, so this is actually the US Open time. So 15 minute, it's like a 9:45 bar. So this is a green inside open, inside close. Okay, we can see this happen here. And that's why we place a limit buy here, and bang, it goes in, and there's always exit on session close. But you're actually free to also have a safety stop and a target, which is set by the profit target range. So the range is always measured by the daily range. So you can go for 1, half, third of it, whatever. Okay. It might be better sometimes, might be not. Okay. You also have an option of a few MA filters, and the MA filter also takes down the order, you know, if suddenly market goes above or below the MA. Okay. So pretty much, there's also an entry offset. Now it's set to 2 ticks. You can go both ways. So set plus, so we'll actually enter slightly above 2 ticks above the, what's it called? Well, not 2 ticks in this case, 2 points. Okay, above this level. Okay, so again, this is the concept that you can drive towards an enormous number of combinations. Okay, and obviously, I would say it doesn't have too many trades. Okay, so this is probably like, so for example, Google did only 34 trades in 1 year. Okay, but so the idea was to actually execute it on a combined number of stocks. Some produce awful results, okay, but you can see from here, so 1, 2, 3, I'm not gonna list all of them, but about half produce pretty good results, okay? I mean, this is pretty much out the box. I haven't really even worked with it. I just, I mean, that's a completely different procedure, right? But again, you can tweak this thing to do a good job for you, I think. So pop onto the website and check out the code, check out the insights, and hope you enjoy this product.